Forecast for tonight. Mostly clear skies. Low temperatures around 64 degrees. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Morehouse Parish in northeastern Louisiana, Richland Parish in northeastern Louisiana, southwestern West Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northwestern Franklin Parish in northeastern Louisiana, until 4:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Swartz, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Wind gusts in quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near. Start around 3:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Rayville around 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Alto and Archibald around 4:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Mangum and Holly Ridge around 4:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.